Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be cooking for you a chicken jalfrezi. And the first thing you're going to want to do for this one is chop one whole onion and a couple of green peppers. Thin green peppers, like the thin long green peppers. Just cut loads of them, really small, as well as the onions. And then once that's done, what you're gonna then want to do is put both of those straight into a pan with hot oil and cook on a low temperature. Well, actually no, sorry. Cook, turn the heat up high to brown the onions and the pepper. And to make them soft. You know what I'm trying to say. Make the onions brown and soft, and the peppers soft. Okay. Now you're gonna want to throw in two chopped cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger, which I have here. Now you're going to want to throw that into the pan. Now, a small amount of fresh coriander. You can use coriander powder, but I don't have coriander powder. It doesn't really matter. It's still coriander at the end of the day. So, yeah, you just go and take that and put that in there. Making sure to constantly move the stuff around so that it doesn't stick. And to also for the time being, keep this on a low heat so your ginger and your garlic don't burn. And now 2 teaspoons of cumin. Oh, bugger. And that's 2. And now, just to give it a good mix about. Now half a teaspoon of turmeric. Yeah, put that in there now. Once that's in, and just give that a good mix about as well. One and a half teaspoons of curry powder. Whether that's mild, medium, or hot is totally up to you and your preference. But I like things a bit spicy personally. Um, okay, there's 1.5. Now 1 red pepper. And sorry, I forgot to show it, but sorry, I've got a bit on my mind today. But before I turned the camera back on, I just dropped in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. So you're gonna want to go and do that. And the next step, I promise, I'll try not to screw up. Now to turn the hob ring up from 4 to 7 or 6. I'm going to put it to 6. Now another handful of fresh coriander. Pre-cooked chicken. Gonna give that a good mix about for about a good minute. And that about covers things pretty much. Just gonna carry on giving this a stir for another, I don't know, 10 minutes. Turn down the heat from 6 to maybe 4 again, and just let it cook slow and bubble, to let the flavours of the coriander, the turmeric, and the curry powder, and all the chilies and stuff, and onion to come out. And then it should be pretty much ready to serve, guys. Yep, not bad, huh? Considering this is the first time I've done it. which is, if that wasn't obvious already, I am trying my best. I am. For you guys, I am trying my best. I am. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna keep my eye on this for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, eat it. And there we go. There we go, folks. There's a very simple and very easy chicken jalfrezi. And this right here is the finished result. And I must say it looks fantastic. I mean, I can't wait to tuck in because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm really looking forward to this. I hope it's as good as I think it's gonna be. Right, I'm going in, giving it a taste. Yeah. Right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really do. And I really hope that it was helpful. Um, and if you're wondering if the videos are going to continue to follow a once every Sunday cycle, they may do, but I would like to try and get them out every every 4 to 5 days. But I mean, we'll see. But there should, at the most, there should be a video from now every 7 days, from every Sunday. Um, um, but yeah. If you've made it this far, that's fantastic. Thanks for watching. Um, thanks. Thank you for all the views. I know they're not that much, but to be honest, I'm not really somebody who really cares about views. Really, I couldn't give a damn really. I just see YouTube um, as a way of being creative, but also a way of helping other people. Which can be done in lots of different ways, whether it's from things like what I do, or other things, I don't know. But yeah, so far, I've really enjoyed making these videos for you guys, and sorry, I'm just watching birds. and there should be many more to come in the future. And hopefully, um, every every 5 days, hopefully, and but yeah, if you could subscribe, that'd be fantastic. That'd be you get a double thumbs up. That'd be great. Um, that'd be that'd be appreciated. It is a small channel. Um, and I'm really pleased with what's been able to have been achieved so far. Um, with all the views and stuff, and the shares, really appreciate that. And I will catch you guys real soon. Take care.